Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. We are discussing the different topics of reaching the age of adolescence, in which we have discussed about the hormones, how they work, what are the physical changes that creates or that shows that the person has gotten the maturity. Now we will discuss the topic of reproductive phases of life in human. Okay, so today we will discuss on what are the what is the reproductive phase which will for reproducing the young ones, and why it is called the reproductive phase of life in human. Okay, so adolescents become capable of reproduction when the testes in the boys and the ovaries in the girls begin to produce sex cells, that is called gamete. Okay, so the male gamete is called what? Sperm, we all know that, and the female gamete is called what? Ovum or the egg. So the capacity to produce matured gametes lasts longer in the male than in women. So male reproductive phase stays for the much more time than respective to the female reproductive phase. Okay, so in women the reproductive phase begins from puberty, that is 10 to 12, and lasts until the age of 40 to 50 years. Okay, so in men the reproductive phases begins at the puberty 14 to 15 years and last as long as he is healthy. So there is no any lasting boundary or limitation for the end of sexual phase in the males. Okay, so menstruation and menopause, we will discuss about this both topic, that what is menstruation and what is menopause. In girls with the onset of puberty, the ovaries start to releasing egg, matured egg. Okay, so this phase, when the time comes that the ovary is ready for producing the mature egg and it liberates the eggs one by one, this phase is this cycle is called its formation, and up to the age of pregnancy or its disposal, this whole cycle is known as the menstrual cycle. Okay, so there are two ovaries which are situated in the abdominal cavities. This produces one matured ovum each after every 4 weeks. So the process by which a matured ovum is released from an ovary is called ovulation. Menstrual cycle deals with the process of ovulation, in which the matured ovum is released from the ovary in every 4 weeks. Okay, so during this period the wall of the uterus becomes thick. This is natural preparation to receive the fertilized egg if so occurred. Okay, if fertilization does not occur, the released egg and the thick lining of the uterus along with the blood vessels are set off. This causes bleeding, and this is called menstrual flow. Okay, so it occurs once in a month. The bleeding from the vagina due to the breakdown of the thickness inner wall of the uterus and its blood vessels is called menstruation. The menstruation flow lasts for 4 to 7 days. Okay, menstruation occurs once in about 28 to 30 days. The cycle of changing takes place in ovaries and uterus every 28 days and marked by the menstrual flow is called the menstrual cycle. So the cycle of the maturation of completing of ovulation, and then after the uterus wall has prepared the blood vessels and it's become thick because of the bloods, and it breaks down and release from the vagina in the form of menstrual flow. Then this whole cycle is called what? Menstrual cycle. The cycle continue up to 28 to 30 days, and at 45 to 50 years of age the menstrual cycle stops, and the stoppage of menstrual flow and the other associative entry or events in the body of a female is called what? Menopause. So menstrual cycle includes maturation of egg, release of egg from the ovaries, thickness of the uterine wall, and Breakdown of the thickness of the inner wall of the uterus if pregnancy does not occur. So this all things are included in what? Menstrual cycle. Let's once again recall what happens in the menstrual cycle. Maturation of the egg occurs, release of the egg from the ovaries, thickness of the uterus wall, and the last, breakdown of the thickness of the inner wall of the uterus if pregnancy does not occur. So in case the egg is fertilized, it begins to divide and get embedded into the uterus for the further development, and that process is called what? Implantation. So the beginning of the menstruation at puberty is called menarche. At the age of 40 to 50 years, the stoppage of the menstrual flow is called menopause. So this is all about the reproductive phase of the human. We have in which we have seen the male has no end of the reproductive phase in his life. It will be remain up till when he is healthy. Okay, and in women's it starts during the age of puberty and ends at the age of 45 to 50 years, and its starting is called what? Menarche, and its ending is called menopause. So guys, this is all about the today's topic. Hope you all have understand the topic. If you have any doubt, please put it down or write it down in my comment section. Definitely I will go through it. Friends, if you like this video, then please press the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell button icon. Thank you so much for giving your love and concern to me. Thanks guys.